channel. After creating the all-time high, Bitcoin printed a lower low. Last night's ceasefire news pumped the entire market, and within minutes, timelines were flooded. Bull run is back. 80,000 next. 40,000 crash coming. So who's right? In this short video, we'll break down what's most likely to happen next, whether this is a long or short opportunity, and where the highest probability move really lies. Make sure you watch till the end. The conclusion might surprise you. Before we dive in, I regularly share free trading setups and live updates across our social media pages. If you're not following, you're genuinely missing high probability entries. In fact, just a few hours ago, I shared a clean scalp setup in our Telegram group. And if you remember the Bitcoin setup from our last video, you can see how perfectly that played out and hit the target. So don't miss the next one. For those of you who are new to this channel, since early March, I've been sharing a Bitcoin chart where price has been trading inside a descending channel. After creating the all-time high, Bitcoin printed a lower low, then a lower high, followed by another lower low. Since then, I've been saying that Bitcoin was heading toward another lower high. But last week, Bitcoin started acting strangely. It began dropping without touching the lower high resistance. That made me question whether the pattern was still valid. However, if you follow me on social media, I kept saying there was a high chance we would still tap the lower high, which was sitting in the 72,000 to 75,000 range. In fact, this was shared in the VIP group even before the pump started. And now, thanks to the news-driven pump, Bitcoin has finally tapped that lower high resistance. Now comes the important part. Many traders are asking you to long from here with targets of 80,000. But according to the descending channel structure, we typically see 2 lower highs and 3 lower lows before a breakout. So far, Bitcoin has completed 2 lower highs, 2 lower lows, which means the third lower low is still pending. This creates a high probability of a dump from this region toward a new lower low, and there's a strong chance this move could happen within April itself. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm only talking about logical probabilities based on the chart structure. If I had to assign probabilities, 80% chance we dump from here, 20% chance we break out, flip this resistance into support, and then continue upward. Until Bitcoin creates a clear support above this channel, the risk of a major drop remains. Now, assuming the descending channel continues to play out, the worst-case scenario could take Bitcoin below 50,000, possibly even into the early 40,000 range. This depends on when price interacts with the channel support. The longer it takes, the deeper the potential drop. There is also another scenario where Bitcoin finds support and reverses from the 55,000 to 58,000 region, which is a strong support zone. So let's see what plays out. Personally, I'm still leaning toward the downside. We might see a small pump or even a fake out around the US market open, but overall, the bias remains bearish unless Bitcoin clearly builds support above the channel resistance. That's it for this quick update. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And before I end this video, I recommend you check out our VIP group. I've shared a complete roadmap with dates of what's coming next. Not just that, you can see our recent successful scalps. From investing in gold to shorting weak coins, we've been killing the moves. Now the crypto volume is back, April is going to be full of spot and futures scalp setups. If you want to stay ahead of the game, go check out the VIP group. Unlike others, we don't charge crazy amounts. You can join for as low as $6, and the highest plan is $30. Each plan has its own benefits. If you want to check my accuracy, just visit my free social media pages. We've been catching major moves from December to January with exact dates and timelines. So if you really want to take advantage of the coming volatility, this is the place. The only downside? Limited entries. Once the group is full, it's closed.
Bills, minting coins, digital, no paper thrills. Fortunes in my wallet, got that blockchain skill. Making money at the speed of light, feel the thrill. Mining rigs, humming numbers on the rise. Bitcoin, Ethereum, watch the value materialize. Moonshot dream,